Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2020 VW Sharan SE Nav. This car comes with a 1.4 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 34 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 20 and this is a one-owner vehicle with full service history from Volkswagen and has covered 31,000 miles since new. This particular colour is the metallic Atlantic blue and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the nice clean interior. As you can see, the seats are in great condition there with an armrest in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then a few other features like I mentioned. The car has climate control as well as cruise control there on the left hand side of the steering wheel. And then automatic headlights and wipers. And finally, on the driver's door card, you have your electric mirror and full window controls. So this Sharan's got to be one of the best cars for the family. So sliding rear doors, really nice, easy access. So ideal for getting children in and out of car seats. And there's lots of legroom and headroom, as you can see. And as you open the tailgate, to reveal the third row of seats. Obviously, once they're folded, you've got a really good sized boot there as well. And you've got the parcel shelf there that can be removed if necessary. Externally, the car comes with front and rear parking sensors and the 16-inch alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.